Hello my dear friends, welcome to Adult Solutions once again, your video Nabi sir. And yes, today we are going to study something about light, reflection and refraction. Very interestingly in an amazing style. So let's start with reflections. Yes. Yeah, so when light touches a smooth polished surfaces like mirror and it bounces back, it's called reflection. So let's talk about laws of reflection. So there are two laws of reflection. So now let's start with the first law of reflection. What do we understand with the first law of reflection? Let's understand. The angle of incident is equal to the angle of reflection. Yes, let's visualize this, the whole story. Yes, I'm taking a plane mirror. For example, here is a plane mirror. Yeah, let's draw a normal. Normal is nothing but a line assuming 90 degrees with the plane mirror. Okay, this is a normal. An incident ray touches the mirror with some angle to the x, the normal. It reflects back to the same angle to the normal. Let's see an example. Plane mirror with the normal x-ray, a ray touches the plane mirror with 72 degree to the normal. By what angle it should reflect? So it should be reflected with 72 degree with the normal. So this is all about the first law of reflection. Yeah, so now let's talk about the second law of reflection. So what happens that incident ray and the reflected ray and the normal, that all lies in the same ray. And this is what all about the second law of reflection. So whatever we have discussed, my lovely students, this was all about the plane mirror. Now let's something discuss and understand about the spherical mirror. So let's take a sphere. Inside the sphere, polish it to become a smooth and shiny surface outside. Let's cover with mercury so no light can enter in it. Yeah, let's cut some part of the mirror which was polished inside to cut it outside. Yes, we got a spherical mirror which is also known as concave mirror, and that concave mirror is also known as converging mirror. Do you know about that? Yes. Let's take some components in this mirror. Okay, yeah, let's draw a line to the center of the mirror. It is called as principal axis, and the intersection point of the mirror principal axis and the concave mirror is known as pole, and this is center of curvature. The center of the sphere from which this mirror has been taken is called as center of curvature, and the distance between the center of the curvature and the pole is called the radius of curvature. Did you get that? And the center of that curvature and the pole is called the radius of the curvature, and this is focus or focal point. What is that? This is the focus, and focal point is called which is exactly in the center of curvature and pole. Okay, now, and the distance between the focus and pole is called the focal length, and we put this in a r equal to 2f. Where is the r here? Yes, which means radius of curvature is 2 times local length. Let's draw some ray diagrams which helps us to represent the image formed by spherical mirror. Now, before discussing this, I think you may have some doubt about that. Where is the normal for spherical mirror? Interesting. It is drawn from center of the curvature. For suppose this is a convexive mirror. If a raw passes like this, this is normal is drawn from center of the curvature like this, and this is the reflected ray. I think now you got clarity about it, isn't it? So now let's enter into the ray diagram. Now ray number 1. Let's take a concave mirror. A ray parallel to principal axis will pass through focus. Now ray number 2. A ray passing through focus. After reflection, it will give a parallel to principal axis. Now ray number 3. A ray passing through center of curvature reflects back in the same direction and passes through the center of curvature because it was hitting the normal with 0 degrees. So it reflects back with a 0 degrees. Now, ray number 4. A ray touches the pole. Okay, reflects back to the same angle with the principal axis. Here the principal axis acts as a normal. Now, let's see some image formations using the ray diagrams. So now, before discussing this, I am introducing a new topic about the real images and the virtual images. Now, real images are the images which are formed by intersection of reflected rays. Real images always form inverted images. Now, on another hand, virtual images are formed by intersection of reflected rays. Virtual images always form erect images. Erect means to change in the images. Now, ready to discuss the image formation.